Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to set up and use Blue Social Auto Poster, which is an Android application. Probably they'll be releasing an iPhone application, but for now we only have an Android application for multiple Facebook groups and pages using multiple Facebook profiles. So the very first thing you need to do is go to Play Store, search Blue Social Auto Poster. There you have it. Click and install. Don't forget to rate it 5 stars once you have started using it. Once you do so, click and open it. There you have a help button. You also have a close button on the other side. You can ask questions on their Facebook page. You can learn from tutorials on their blog and so much more. So click and log in. I'm going to pause the video while I enter my Facebook logins. There it is, and then click login. There it is. Yeah, you can read that disclaimer. Who reads that anyway? So once you do that, the very first thing you need to do, if it's your first time using the app, you need to click that, where you manage all your Facebook users. This means if you have 10, 5, 3 different Facebook accounts that you use for Facebook marketing, then you need to add them here. Simply click the add button, add user. So there's Graph API Explorer v2.2 or v2.3 access token. There's custom app access token and name. This is for now we are not going to deal with custom app. That will be for the next tutorial. However, you basically need the Graph API access token for this application to work. So click get. Choose login with Facebook. Pick the account you want to add. I'm going to add my very own account as the first one. Okay, it's now logged in. So I'm going to switch to landscape so that you can view this better. The very first thing you need to do is change v2.8 or higher to v2.2 or lower, which is v2.3 or v2.2. That's version 2.3 or version 2.2. Then click get token, get user token. Ensure you check the following: email, publish actions, user likes, that's necessary for your pages, publish pages, we're going to talk about this later on, user for the application to fetch your groups, User manage groups. That's all. There are 6 of them. Ensure you confirm that. Good. Then get access token. Click continue. Ensure the application posts publicly, so choose that. Then click OK. So once that's done, it will take you back, and you can see access token has been refreshed, and there's a very long text there. Click that and copy. That's done. I'll go back to the application. I'm going to shift back to portrait. Go to application. I paste that here. And then ensure you uncheck post using custom app. If it's checked, uncheck that, and then click verify. Now it's verified. You can see it has showed your name, Kadengea. Then says now changes to save. Click save. It has added that. So I'm going to use the same method to add several other accounts. You just click add a new account, and then I get the access token and paste it there. I've added the second account. Click save. It's added. I'll pause the video and add. Then click verify. It's now verified. Then click save. It's added our 4th account. So now we are going to do a simple post. Go back, do a simple post. It's night where I am, so I'm going to do a good night, friends. I'm going to hashtag blue and hashtag autopost. And then I click send. I'm going to simply do the basic, which is timeline for each one of them. Timeline, 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 and then I select all of them. You can as well choose groups or pages by clicking that, the account, then you click groups. Okay, let's do for Easter Judy. Click that. There's the refresh button. Click the refresh button, the update, then update groups. You can see it's fetching your groups. It's going to take some time, so you can leave it until it's done. Once it's done, it will let you know. Click back. Let's try to post. You can choose post now or later. Just post now. This is the time interval between posts. Just 1 minute is okay. You can choose to retry if it fails, and then click OK. It's now posting. You can see it has added the post to your timeline, and you can see it has already posted to Kadenge. After 1 minute, it posts to the next person. Till it's done, you can click here to view some options about the post, as well logs. You can swipe to notification to see if the post was successful. You shall see all your notifications here. Click on each notification. You shall see some details about that. Click on that. You can copy the Facebook link if you want to share it with someone. You can view the post on Facebook. Let's see if it worked. There's poor connection. There it is, our Facebook post. You can see 1 minute ago by Kadenge. So let's just close that. You can see even Insta Judy post successfully. You can click that. Same thing, you can view the post on Facebook. There's more details. You can copy the log info if you want to share it with the developers. Okay, there's that button. If you want to go pro, I'm actually using pro version of the application. You can go to the more options, where you see all the other options that are not available on the other screens. Click the subscription icon. There you shall see all the details about your subscription. I'm using the pro version with unlimited features. You can click Go Pro if you are using the free version, so that you have all the access to all the features. Click back. That's good for today's tutorial. What do you need to know? Simple. The first screen, that's the first screen where you see all your posts. That's the user screen where you add all your users. You can click that to manage a user. Check out the pages. Click to update a page, to update pages since they are 0. It's going to take some time. There it is, it's fetching the pages. Yeah, I'll just click that to stop it from there. But you have to wait till it's done. Once it's done, it will let you know. That's it for pages. You can click that. You can see now it's updated. You can click groups. You do the same thing. Update groups. It will start fetching your groups. There it is. I'm going to stop it there so that you can see that. You can see your groups. There are so many other options. We shall talk about them later on. So that's good for today's tutorial. Just going to finish up. There's the reset button if you want to delete everything on the application. Then there's the logout button. And I think it's good. You buy the developer a gift or something. They did a good job on this application. Then there's logout. So I'm going to finally log out. And that's good.